What's up, people? It's 8 a.m. I just got home from work like an hour ago. Kind of want to go bury my face and die. But this is the first chance I've got to play this. The Resident Evil 4 remake demo came out a couple days ago. I downloaded it. I've been looking at it for like, I don't know, a week now. Don't have a chance to play it. But that's okay. That's what we're going to do right here. Chris, he's off rolling around in the woods playing with dogs or whatever I said last time. And I don't know. That's all I got. So I don't really know anything about this. I don't know. There's the village. I don't know if this is like a 30-minute demo, like the RE2 one. I missed the RE3 one, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. Chainsaw demo. All right, let's see. Okay, here we go. It's pretty. Say it. Say it. Ah, he didn't say it.
September 30th, 1998.
Ah!
It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day.
Oh no.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out.
It was a pretty rough night.
Created by Umbrella.
Yeah, those guys suck.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
I mean,
I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second.
Hey, that guy, what was his name?
Can be different.
Lawrence or some shit.
It has to.
I don't know, what the fuck was that guy's name? I mean, we're all thinking it.
Oh no, he's hot!
It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. They're shitty. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. Special Agent, he's tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. Just use the bitch dumpster button. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare and insanity he would find there. Oh! Let's just take a minute. Alright. I have purposely avoided, you know, videos, pictures. I've seen pictures and shit, but I have avoided so much of this because I wanted this. And holy shit. I mean, this... I can't play with the effigy? Alright, eat me. Pull out the binoculars. No? No binoculars? Okay. Do I get to save the dog? Actually, I kind of hope this is just this whatever is in the demo. I don't know. Oh my god. That's yummy. Yeah, I'm glad we got to zoom in on that. That's really fantastic. Oh, this is the guy. I'm going to show him a picture, and he's going to not like me. Come on, at least knock. Please. The leaves, the vines on the tree, I thought that was just like crawling shit. It is not. Okay, that was kind of cool. Do that again, Leon. Oh! Alright. Alright, let's go.
Anyone home?
Hello? Hello? Is that Matt Mercer doing the voice? There's no way. Doesn't sound like him. Man. Dude. Why would you pick up the bloody effigy? Oh good, it says shit. Judgment is nigh, isn't it always? Alright. Okay, smack my face on that. This is the door I just came through, so that's... God damn it. Okay, that is... I want you guys to know the sensitivity is probably super high because I just keep missing doorways and I suck. Alright. What do we got? Leon, you've seen this symbol like 4 times now. Just let her go. Ashley's not that... I mean... Not that important. Oh god, what does that say? I can't read. I don't know what that is. Is that Spanish? Oh, fuck off. Alright. Maybe. This jacket's so shiny. The room is full of bear traps. I love it.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Yeah, he could have knocked. Alright, Leon, leave. This guy's not helpful.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
You didn't speak Spanish in 2005? That's kind of cool, though. Yeah, just start going through the guy's shit. Well, okay, it's not his. Is that Chief Gordon? Oh! Wasn't expecting that to happen! Jesus Christ! Fuck that guy! Oh, he's fine. You interrupted fuck night.
This is not good.
Sorry to cut you off there. Whoosh-ah! Oh, and we can walk around and shit. You don't have a laser beam. Oh, good, 10 bullets. That'll get me through. Alright, we needed a... Is that a... What the f... Okay. Leon, you don't have to look at all this shit. I'm an idiot. Don't pay attention to me. No one like me. Actually, please do. God damn it. That's fucking... Yeah, let's go into the Leatherface tunnel. That's awesome. Is that a radio? Is that... That's a big rat. Hey, come here, friend. Friend! Okay, see you later. Guess you have shit to do. Something... This... I can't read Spanish. And he knows zombies are real at this point. Marvin! That was the deputy, or lieutenant's name from earlier. Marvin. We didn't save him. Oh my! He just said necesito baño.
What's your situation?
Clearly it's good.
What the hell's going on?
A lot. Oh no. Escape from the Hunter's Lodge. But we just got in here. Oh boy.
What was that?
You don't have to. Bet it was our friend Brokeneck.
No.
Oh! Hey, Leon says fuck again. Oh god. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I was really, like, after they made him cuss a lot in 2, please stay down. I was really hoping that...
It's getting worse.
I was really hoping they'd let Leon cuss a lot more in this. And apparently they did. You don't... No. Oh, can I hit him? Can I hit him? Can I hit him? Oh, fuck that guy. What is that? Oh, shit. The fuck? No, oh, there's more of you. Into the fucking door. Okay, we're now out of bullets. We're just gonna die. I mean, we can do some sweet ninja moves like that again, I guess, but, that's fine. That's not alarming at all. Hunnigan!
Bruce,
You're not Hunnigan.
this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your
Oh,
cigarette?
never mind. Okay.
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Baby Eagle.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here.
You think he's gonna get to fuck Hunnigan at the end of this one? He didn't in the original. I don't like that.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Yeah, we don't have bullets.
Let myself up.
So... Alright, that works too. The fucking superhero land. Alright, see you later. That's all he wanted, I guess. Well, that was weird. Love the... this again. Where's the dog? Where are you? Alright, hey, there we go. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and... Oh, fuck off. I don't need to use it immediately. Alright. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, it's a demo. I can't save. Wait, that's not the dog, is it? I hope that that's not the case, because we didn't save that one. That dude really needs to stop making that noise. Oh, thank you. I hear him. I know he's there. Fuck you. Gives you... Oh, you bitch. Come here. Shut up. Run away. I hear a guy behind me. Oh, yep. I missed. I suck. I'm behind a tree. I suck. There you go. That's good for you. You needed that. Oh. What the fuck is... What are you doing? No. Just whatever you're doing, stop. I don't like the twitching. I don't like the... Oh, good. They do still drop shit. Alright. None of what... Yeah, no. Ew. Ugh. The fuck? Oh, cool. It's at the... Money's the same. I don't know why it would be different, but... Ow! Motherfucker! Like that he was mad at it. He was like... I guess I need to watch out. Oh, is the lady in here? Somebody's in there. I didn't like that. Come on out. Haha, fuck you. Nope, you don't get to have more. Alright, thanks, appreciate that. Alright. Is it the... There's one of these huts where like a lady comes out with a pitchfork, and there's another one where there's a woman stuck to the wall with a pitchfork. I mean, I guess I'm saying all that like I know it's going to be the same. I don't, but you know. What are we doing? I don't know. Stop it. Go away. I know how the inventory works. At least I hope you didn't change it, because it was perfect. That sounded squishy. What just fell? That's a head. I wish I hadn't turned around. Thank you. Oop. Meow. See, he had a bad day. Alright, well, I mean... Shit. Well... Ma'am, you're blocking the shot. Could you scurry along? Alright, thank you. God, why are you here with the bucket, Larry? Right there. That's it. Main enemy of the game. Right there. There he is. I want to do it, but I only have so many bullets. Alright, what do you think? We take him out?
Here we go.
Alright, you guys ready to go to bingo? Oh, excuse me. Nope, you don't need to... You don't... Oh, there's so many of you. You know what? Actually, hold on right there, guys. Let me...
Present for you.
Yeah. Yeah. you recovered already. That's less than good. Alright, sorry. I'm very sorry for what I just did. I heard something about eat my asshole. That's not okay. That's inappropriate. Excuse you. No. Give me that. Sorry, I just need your money. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to. I know you're just trying to have a barbecue. That's. Oh. No, thank you. Alright, I'm just gonna. Alright. I don't know what's in there. I think one of them had a. Oh, fuck. I think one of them had a yellow herb in the original one. I don't know. So let's evaluate for a moment. Oh, there's no time to evaluate. Fuck you! Oh, good. Just got some more change. Oh, Ow! You fuck! Hold on. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Let me just. All right. No, you should let me escape. Yeah. No, you don't need to be here. I mean, don't get me wrong. You're fucking awesome, but like, hi. You don't have a face under there, do you? I'm very. Oh no! Excuse me. Where's the house with the shotgun? Can I go in the shotgun house? You know what? I really wish I had saved that. Hey, I got a chicken egg. That's awesome. Is this the house? Oh, you're right there. Go in the door, Leon. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Oh, thank God! I don't have to push the bookcase. No. Why did you? Oh, is that another guy? That's good.
You could be kidding me.
I'm glad we're in a house that's made of wood, so that we don't have the natural food for the chainsaw. Can I please have this? Thank God. Give me that. Leon. Look, ma'am. Ah! Excuse me? No, Leon, you dumb shit! Oh my, oh no, it's a bad. Hang on. Let me just, yeah, that's what I want. Alright. Ah. Hold that. Give me the shotgun. Get the fuck off me. Excuse me. The grenade did I just get attacked by a chicken? I guess I got attacked by a chicken. Oh, this is a corner. This is a bad corner. Oh, rate of fire. Excuse me. Oh, good, I'm out of those two. I didn't plan accordingly. Hey, guys. Oh, this is on fire. Come on. I need some of this to not be money. Man. No. Leave. Why would you do that? Even if you kill me. Even if you kill me. I'm gonna hit a motherfucker with another motherfucker. Oh, even if you kill me. Now you're fucking. You don't have. You don't have. Say it. Say it. Say it.
La campana. Al fine de feria.
Los invoca.
My heart hurts. Squish. Say it. Say it.
Tenemos que servir.
Say it! Don't you fuck me on this, Capcom. Yeah, you're going to a weird church. That's fine. Fucking cock teasing me.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Ah, he said the thing. He said the thing. We can go home. We can go home. We can do it. Oh, the cop's just not having a good day. But he said the thing. He said the bingo thing. That's what matters. I assume that's going to be all it's going to let me play. Ah! That was cool. I'm super excited for this. I got 3,250 pesetas. I think that's either, I don't know if you either run the clock out or you have to kill a certain amount of enemies. I can't remember how it was in the first one, or the fourth one, the fourth one. Anyway, that's awesome. And thank you for playing. You're welcome. I can't wait for the full game to be out. It comes out, today's I shot this on the 17th. I don't know when you guys will see it. But right there it is. It'll be out 3/24. I'm super excited. Chris has said that he wants to live stream this when it comes out. I did 2 and 3. I think he might want to play 4. I'll probably play it beforehand just so that I'm not a bumbling moron and to just love you guys, but experience it for myself in the dark without this ring light. But yeah, if you're into this, let me know. I can always do more. We do have an episode or 2 of another game we played not too long ago, and all I will say is it is very different than this. But thanks for hanging out, and we'll be back soon. Hopefully you watched Leprechaun 5, Leprechaun in the Hood. Watch that if you hadn't already watched it. Thanks, guys. Chris, you suck.